If we listen to modern-day science-based views, we come to think that the universe is a lifeless expanse, a machine governed by rigid laws of physics. But what if this view is incomplete? What if the universe isn't just a collection of particles and forces, but something far more profound, a dynamic process of awareness, focus, and memory, shaping itself into reality? At its core, the universe arises from what seems like nothing, at least in terms of space and time. Yet this nothingness holds the infinite potential to become everything, not as a pre-existing physical structure, but as a formless potential that must, by its very nature, express itself in measurable finite ways. And this process of potential becoming reality mirrors something deeply familiar to us: the way a mind works. Just as a mind focuses on certain thoughts, bringing them into awareness while leaving infinite others unexplored, the universe focuses its potential into the patterns we recognize as physical reality. From the formation of stars to the emergence of life, this cosmic act of focusing and interacting creates everything we see, moment by moment. Science itself is revealing this deeper, interconnected nature of the cosmos. Quantum entanglement shows us that everything is linked beyond space and time, suggesting that the universe is not just a scattered assembly of parts, but a singular, indivisible whole. Even at the largest scales, galaxies form intricate, web-like structures mirroring the neural networks of a brain. And at the smallest levels, the so-called vacuum of space is teeming with energy and fluctuations, reminding us that nothingness itself is gestating with possibility. This universal process isn't random. It builds upon itself, remembers, and evolves. Just as memory shapes a mind's experience, the universe retains and refines its patterns over time. From simple atoms to the emergence of life, this ongoing self-realization seems to drive the cosmos forward, as if the universe itself is learning to know what it can become. Some of the greatest mysteries of existence, such as why the universe seems so finely tuned for life, why consciousness arises from matter, and why randomness at quantum levels somehow gives rise to structure, may all be clues pointing to a larger truth: that the universe is not a machine, but a process. Not a static thing, but an unfolding act of infinite possibility focusing itself into form. We are not just in the universe, we are the universe, experiencing and shaping its own possibilities. The story of the cosmos is not one of cold, lifeless mechanics. It is the story of infinite potential finding a way to express itself, and we are woven into that very fabric. The question is not whether the universe is conscious, but rather, what role do we play in its ongoing realization?